Hi, GC News. Lima Obia Akwaba had the latest hot news in Kwanam the Bremo. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Message over subscribe. The over ya say over click the subscribe button. You know now for what barely notification. We understand new video piano was ever can be. I thought we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Now for share my offer for so now we may be now watch and I will win your echo. I feel young here and some about the profit and some cost
has goofed big time. Everything should have been expressed in the first paragraph. Finito, where you don't even explain. Kwabena, the second ingredient of an apologetic person, and they say, "Ma from and from swabia ebatani paho," and until you don't have any further explanation. My bonnet fetch me. Now me go further can say, oh, waiting and me person me yes say you but I'm saying na mon tema say there be obeso ka check na for say who ni na satan Napo who ni na satan ga mani ben say ye ne yenti ase wo kasa fi we hwan yenti ase wo te be ye yesu ye bube wo bube ne yesu te be wo kasa nyansa be ne wo ma and this e kodi kodu president ko forum the car same we are this all got tena se no abusa so eh papa asem we are okay ase kire sen na wo na ponyansa be ne wo trimu a wo ka asem a just ye kotena se ne ye dikodu. Your words are already decoded foolishly, stupidly, uselessly. You are just a walking fool, you are just a buffoon, and the tomfoolery is all over you. It's just in your face. You see Napo and you see his nose and you see a big fool, big fat fool. Like just say, oh, he's still living in that. He doesn't want to realize only remorse. So I have disagreement with everyone that thinks say, and especially Kwabena. I've seen you write that on your page. Say, I say, wabe pacha unti etu nkotre baby etre. Wo so kan bi wadwene no e wo se okọ ontatia ho. Me dey clitoris. Ai na okohwe na oje kakra because oh Kwabena akwai to say my offend you too. I've not just yes. It's not natural. Buapayo. Yes, Buapayo. That's solid. Yeah, Buapayo. Oh, my offend you. Me who say I didn't know me you know. And tell you, even on that platform now, no, your intuition made you realize that you are a big fool to have said that. And so you had an aposiopesis. In literature, so me kasa, now say, hey, whoa, and there. That meant, say, I may have altered something that me who said I need not to. Yes. And that hold in brief no. Now a buyer after having said that was yasem na. Any can say peer free even nipa bia or TV ase ano. Kojo Bantama will not even reason like this. Napo knows Kojo Bantama. And Napo knows say Kojo Bantama onimi say. And then because of you, people have had to even question why a whole huge figure in Asante Sabi Yahine. People are questioning why he had to come out to even celebrate such a person. And I've been one of them. I have questioned. If we are similar, Nipa Ben obetimi kra kase Nkrumah. I mean how? I feel who say why hu nyansa na wakoka nkwasi asem na wano ayi uka ya woko campaign na ema epeso mo de ju so gu so ene mama nya bibi to say the my apology no. And you see, apology, it has ingredients. The first ingredient of an apology or an apologetic person is to first show remorse. Your first paragraph should have shown that great remorse, just to depict of a character. Ooh, we cried the minion, would you de-intro? People even have taken a swipe at me commentary. Say me and then I mean my now say no 2-4-2-4. No. My question was to me say then na ohene onim na posuban na obeji ama ne ho se on na tete no fine obi anim se efie bia mensam ohene so ntimi disown ne de enka se minimu no to say de go for be na ye Yesu sa say minimu ne ba bia no Peter ohene ntimi nyesa. But I think, sir, after having spoken with several people, especially Ahemfubinum, I just got it clearer. Sir, Ohene wanted to let the world know, sir, but 24 of them, since a minim, the wasn't our yano. Now, I know on the father side was Abamanium. And men koya melody or mother side. Wouldn't say. And so he added, even after having said the advice, no, he added, say, don't, Osimen Kwankoma, Usubai, say, don't let Bawumia, Mani Nuneho. Bibisa, I think so. Unim say, Otun for Bawumia Nuno. Yes. Unim say, Otun for Kra, or tape be. I don't know, say, Obibenya, Otun for maybe more Kasa or Belgium. And was say, Asubrache like a recalcitrant child. Or see you tune for them, I say be tune for one thing. Yes. Sabia will be able to say Penia Tunufu. Or two for us tape when I'm looking for it. Alright. I have this Bible quotation that may debate you in Ayafo. The reason why me mempe ukwemunsem mebusem eti do Proverbs 17:25. A foolish son is a grief to his father, and bitterness to her that bore him. Obakwasia tisa Napo. Oye yaw ma neja na oye ayaya die ema nina owu no. In other words, die owu bakwasia womre se die otene ho enya die otete no obakwasia ye ntete no die otene ho die obakwasia no asori akotena ne ho wono asa ne ye kanya die otete no obakwasia ye ntete no ena suban etise nyinsen o se ne apology letter no kwabra me pese odi beto ho biem no wa ma chiefu ahwe wo de kai paragraph na paragraph 3 or say I wish to emphasize that I never meant to disrespect former President Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So if he had said, say, it was even a slip, it would have been forgiven easily, because to err is human. This is an afterthought. It means you meant to rather denigrate his image. And the asa kumemuma and anu way epaimuka. Hwese wo kan no. Wo kan say Nkrumah no, Nkrumah no. Ha. Nkrumah no. Nkrumah Ghana na person we vice president. What born who bia what do me ho? What do me ho? We are no me. I'm telling him. We are no me sebi wan ko eho adesradie ankwa ma sebi nananom kwa fa nchana wa boni hu bia. And it will be to his 10th generation. He is a curse unto himself. Nkrumah no. And so why do you want something that Nkrumah built? You know that Nkrumah were useless. You have believed, say Nkrumah no, one more bread bia, one more bra papa bia. But he actually is the founder of this country. Now say when my dear me say obri boahin charge and bail lawyer no. Ono abetra so platform so nyame be chambers nyame nyankyere ne hwe Proverbs chapter 17:25.
Okay.
Now, Adaya and Nkrumah no tablo chire no. Enya binum na ekofa ne bae. Sanko for no bo nyansa ye de je oman a nkomo je oman de. Se no mo ya kromfo yi. Komo je oman ni hwie a oman no. Se no mo se nyansa na Yakopon de dum Nkrumah na okọ wiase af mama ba bia na ye de na baba na. Omumu hwan and internationally kwa ya recognize ne da. Obumu hwan. Can you just see funny nyina perifoni nyina omadwini bom. No akoko ni moku. Akoko ba moku. Adwini ni nyina. E dia bebe koka. Kwa me count dia no dia na no se. E kwa so abadabo. Oh. Ase chese. Say ya ho ya o. Say ye be ye o. I mean, we dey na fe pass and kai se ne. Say dem de kufo ho me hu. Na nka bia kufo sabi Hunto aboa me ne ehwaho akufo na mesoma aboa ne ehwaho ye friend say Rollins ne eboa na sebi ye mpanifo nyina animu ate enya ofu yi a enka mpanifo nyina ba ye ne ke ebobo mu din oba ye obeye ewe mpanifo ye bi abeye bi ne yesu ye beye bi ato aso e de na efe chen sa akasa no
me patro na do ko ka western region sama bo
I say,
Ghana, dear, what kind of crash your hand time? For that statement, not just oppose this statement. Now, I say, may I say that this statement is not coming from Napo?
I will conclude with that.
Yes, maybe one is so been out.
You trust and the con. If I even saw one on Facebook, I actually fake. Yeah, I was so. And so I began believing, say, but because they realized they tested it. Yes, they tested it. It's something that they tried to put in the public domain to make it feel say, okay, wabe apology. How it will go. Because if you listen to him, he won't come even close to this. Say, let me, because, and even the person that wrote it to hang it on his neck, you know, has goofed big time. Everything should have been expressed in the first paragraph. Finito. Where you don't even explain. Kwabena, the second ingredient of an apologetic person, and they say, "Ma from and from swab the ebatani paho," and until you don't have any further explanation. My bonnet fetch me. Now me go further can say, "Oh, waiting and me person me yes say you but." I'm saying, "Namon Timasi, there be over so catch a gun of Fosia wound in Nasate. Who Napo wound in Nasate gun any bang. Say any antiasia. Oh, Wakasa few one antiasia. Who to bear yesu, Yabube? Who bube yes yet to bear? Oh, Casa Yasa Ben Oma, and this year could do. President conform the car same we are. This all got Tanasa Busan say, Papa, I send me a walking. I said the same. Now, when Aponasa Ben would 3 more. Your words are already decoded foolishly, stupidly, uselessly. You are just a walking fool. You are just a buffoon. And the tomfoolery is all over you. It's just in your face. You see Napo and you see his nose, and you see a big fool, big fat fool. You know it. So how do you think, sir? Na just a Ghana for the Quatanasian ya bre akwaya research and we say I said the Nansani be na Casana yam webina yenim Nansana or Casana yan tiase. I can say because the old way Jimmy Crano Cacofiana Cardia ma penny be grand too for say one can say so quite Nako Pacha say oh and you know Mano crown a foam ye nano foam bread Joe and my battle Nyansa Yo Obakwasia Wamre said you were telling home. Last but not the least, Kwabena, I want to be very clear to every Ghanaian. And they say unim uwa shena. Obia ubedie dida say omanya eye omantia se my Ghana we ye wo. Emu nipa eye muano. Always look yourself in the mirror and first see the first fool ona abua odi kan. And pempino, yeah, politics are yama enyoma kata ni fanatism me MPP ni me NDC ni just because of being a member of a political party, we overlook so many things. They come back to hunt us and hurt us and sometimes reduce us to nothing. On my way, because of fanatism. Oh, you farm yourself to say a football. So us now, oh, team Papa Party say Liverpool, to say me dear. And I eat in the you are likely to think, say, politics is almost equal to football. But the most important thing in our life, and yet religion, and your politics, because everything is under politics. So bet me sorry, aquato collection, and your politics. So bet me a your politics. So bet me auto petrol, and your politics. So bet me aquasha ball. Now say I'm not front to me cause sports stadium nina football na egu nina e politics. Do you know why? Because sika ni ubotoma de beto aduane a ukotua ticket ka. Yabi. And you know, if it is the pivot around which our lives revolve, why must we equate it to anything that minimum to say football? Yeah, yama fanatism because LPP nti onte say penny bia kasa. And penny for kasa no, I said they are mostly skilled because Mr. Mamiko Kabima NDC, Emo Bianca Sama NDC, and Nkrumah NDC Nkrumah. And can you see people before Nakamoka Samomo? And Nkrumah ye African Nkrumah. And you know, free William, that's how you say, would you say a young Nkrumah tin and they were mighty as my Ghana dia. Now so you Ghana ni and San Alcoya, Sremuni and Sanaya Santini, Oya Fantini, Oya Grusini, Oya Frafreni, Oya Obia. Huni say yede yensa awo wani ana wodo obidine sa awo unyame ani enti ko unyame mwa na uye obidie yiye mpo a se Nkrumah nya wodie mpo ebi a wo mfiri asantimam Nkrumah mfiri baabi ofiri nzima ana so matese nkofo foforo so ofiri baabi foforo
yo wetifo because this news so na wo hwe no so we no subscribe to the channel na message say over subscribe na walike na fi wa share video no ama ofoforo so enyu bi na wa hwe we so let me actually wadin afaye so we na ho ewo comment box no mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.